Hello and welcome to WP-Click's YouTube channel. Hiding your WordPress login page is a matter of security and a way to prevent brute force hacker attacks. In this video, we're going to show you how to do it. We believe that the best and the easiest way to hide your login page is to use a special plugin created just for this purpose. It's called WPS Hide Login, and it works by allowing you to use a custom URL for your login. To use this plugin, you first need to install it. Log into your dashboard, go to Plugins, and click on Add New. Type WPS Hide Login in the search bar, and once you located it, click on Install Now. After this, the only thing left to do is to activate the plugin and you're good to go. Now go to your settings and click on WPS Hide Login. Scroll down until you see this. Make sure to change your login URL into something that is not easy to guess. Avoid simple common words and phrases. Once you change your login URL, don't forget to write it down somewhere in case you forget it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information on this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.